Do you want to read messages on Instagram without the other person knowing? Then I'm going to show you how you can turn off the seen in your Instagram DMs. So follow my steps. I'm currently in my Instagram app, and I'll first show you how to turn it off for individual messages. Let's say I don't want this person to see that I've opened their message. Tap on his or her name at the top to open the chat settings. After that, select this privacy and safety right here, and you'll want to disable the read receipts option. You've now turned off the scene for this specific person. But if you need to do that for every single chat, then just open the settings page by tapping the 3 horizontal lines at the top right, find the Messages and Story Replies option, show Read Receipts, and then turn this switch off as well. So what does turning this off actually do? When read receipts are disabled, people won't see seen below their messages when you read them. It'll just show delivered instead. However, keep in mind it works both ways, so you also won't be able to see when others have read your messages.